strange. The polycarbonate rod here from one of those kits, the John Lip or whatever the hell that is. From that polycarbonate didn't really go on nice. I had decent luck with this rod here, and it kind of flowed all right. That came out of this Amazon kit. Rods are kind of shorter than the John Lip rods, but I think I had the best luck with my old, and by the way, I used PVC out of the Harbor Freight kit, and I think that flowed nicely. So after I used that surface mount rework heat gun, I sort of dabbed it with these tools and kind of, yeah, I think it adhered the best. And this kit, yeah, the Maiden Chinesium, this kit right here, focus, there you go. It kind of sucks, but it's better than nothing. I kind of fuse stuff into position so I don't have to hold it. Got a bunch of different assortments. The pliers that it comes with are complete crap. I mean, look at that. That's just shit. They won't cut anything, especially once these things heat up and get a little bit hardened by this gun. You could forget it. So I was just snipping away with my Made in America satin. Once I clean this off, then I shit launches. I should be wearing safety glasses. Hopefully that doesn't end up in my hot dogs on the stove. Ooh, that one went by the coffee maker. Ooh, that one went living room somewhere. Probably should be doing this in the garage. But I'll tell you this. If you do this in the garage and the material's cold, it will not adhere. Because you want to, just like brazing, you want to make sure your substrate is warmer than your filler material in order for it to adhere. Because it goes to whatever's hottest. Maybe I should trim these guys too, I don't know. See how this goes. Supposed to heat this up first. There's a Polish guy that sells filler materials. He's got a really good video. Ooh, I'm melting this pretty bad. Alright, we're gonna let that reseat. Oh, it's opening up here. That's not good. I'm gonna have to buff this out with the Dremel so it won't sit flat. And these are not vitamins we're breathing in. Probably really bad for us.
You should have a mask then.
Mask? Mask ain't gonna do shit. Just like what it... It's
You should have something then.
I should, but I don't.
What is this stick?
This is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Same material that PVC pipes are made for plumbing.
Ooh, I smell it now.
Yeah, because it's blowing in your direction now. I should have probably tried an ABS. That's what I really thought this was. The thing is, ABS I think floated. Or no, I don't remember shit.
What is the ABS?
Something butyl styrene. I don't remember. It's a type of plastic. These are all different types of plastic. Oh, you know what I should do? Is this. This thing's awesome. I just kind of, instead of dremeling this later, that little reinforcement I put in there is screwing this up pretty bad. This little foot should bend it out nicely. So I don't have to Dremel. I'll just flatten out with heat. Ooh, it's getting warm. Yeah, the lights at the junkyard were in worse condition than these, so that's why I'm trying to repair these. See, it's not sticking, so it's not the same kind of material. Because if I lift this and it's not sticking, or my little metal thing is getting hotter than the rest of the plastic, which is possibly why. Because whenever you're filling material, it sticks to whatever's hottest. Just like when you're...
Get it close up.
Alright, we gotta do this guy here.
Messy.
Yeah, story of my life, huh? This has got to be kind of flat though, because this has got to slide into a nice little opening, so that could be a problem. You know what, I could use a different little tip on that thing instead of the hot air. But the Polish guy was using hot air, and his rods were, geez, it looked like he was MIG welding it. They looked great. But he also had, like, his rods weren't just plastic. They had, like, what did he say? Some kind of filler fiber. So they were fibered, which is reinforced.
Stronger.
Yeah, it was reinforced, and it just flowed so nicely for him. He did a real good job explaining. Well, the thing that sucked is he was explaining in Polish, and there was an overlay, so it's like a dubbed movie. It really sucked.
Oh, somebody was
Translating, and so I'm like trying to listen to the Polish because it was more accurate, and then the English was all screwed off, and the timing was kind of off. The translation sucked.
Didn't align with what he was doing.
Yeah, or saying, which made it kind of shitty. Excuse my French. Anyway, so that.
Show it. There.
There's not much to show.
Are you gonna flatten it and like
This?
polish or something?
Maybe. Well, it depends how it goes in. Otherwise, I'm leaving it. I don't think on the edges here, I don't think it'll make a difference. I think it might make a difference on this face because that might actually go into a tighter opening. I don't remember what the car is like. I took these out 2 weeks ago, so and I waited for these plastic rods to come in. I don't know if that's the cigarettes or the plastic, but this is...
I don't know what's worse.
Exactly. I'm pretty sure this plastic's worse. Did you know that we end up with a credit card sized amount of plastic in our body every year from all the PET?
I heard you said that. Yeah.
It's kind of scary.
No, but only those people that do these kind of things, right?
The
or
plastic
anybody.
bottle. I from what I understand, it's just submerged in our water supply at this point. That should hold. I don't remember where the crack was here. Looks like it's right there, though. I didn't do a good job cleaning this shit. I was using alcohol. I probably should have used acetone, but then again, it would probably start dissolving the plastic.
Acetone?
Acetone, yeah, it's not friendly with the like polystyrene and stuff. And PVC, I know it's not friendly with PVC because acetone is one of the main ingredients in PVC glue, so I know it does something there. Plumbing glue, you know, for PVC pipe.
Okay, I'm gonna pretend that I know.
Yeah. Or it might be MEK, which is methyl ethyl ketone, but I don't think they use MEK because that's so bad for your system. It causes like birth defects in your children's children.
Oh.
So I think they stopped using MEK and stuff. But MEK was so strong that you were able to dissolve like epoxies with it and stuff.
So what are you really doing here?
Me? All the cracks were just... So plastics are strands of polymers. And so they're like long hairs, right? Mm-hmm. So I'm trying to... Wherever the hair is cracked, I'm trying to get the hairs to reattach. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good enough, whatever. So So this looks like crap. Kind of straightened out. Whoa, that was hot. This thing got heated up. Yeah. See if I could straighten this guy out, because I got to get the other side.
I może później dołącz takie video, jak skończysz.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Myślę, że ktoś będzie takie video oglądał.
Yeah, I'm gonna monetize. I'm gonna put all these commercials. I could fast forward if I had free editing software, but everyone's charging now for editing software. Too many professional YouTubers in the world. Yeah, so that's straightened out. That tab, that's nice.
Are you gonna mute us, right?
Why?
No?
Why? I mean, I believe people are gonna be listening to me just to fall asleep because I got this sexy voice.
Or there will be like a wife like me saying, wyłącz tego gościa.
You
Turn
remember-
him off, I hate his voice.
Oh, you're talking about Scotty Kilmer? I love that guy's voice. It puts me to sleep.
Maybe I heard him too much, you know?
He puts me to sleep. Alright, so that reflowed. That should be good. Oh, the wire's sticking out on this side. Whatever.
Done?
I think so.
Okay, not look closer.
I did it all with the PVC from Harbor Freight. I think that's good enough.
What? Jeez.
Uh-huh.